In this video, we'll look at how to delete PDF pages via a text search with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Use this method to search a PDF for specific text and delete pages that feature it, and optionally replace them with stub pages. We'll look at two methods for using a text search. These are either using plain text strings or searching for text patterns. Let's begin by searching using plain text. We'll use this sample document containing multiple invoices to delete pages containing specific text. We'll delete all invoices addressed to John Doe using this name and associated ID number. Let's take a look at how to open the tool. With the necessary documents open in Acrobat, select Plugins in the upper menu, then Split Documents, and delete pages by text search. Here you can type multiple search strings on separate lines. Where possible, use two unique text strings in case one is completely absent or misspelled. Then select all necessary options below. Match text case makes the searches case sensitive, so pages are only removed if they have text exactly as it's been written here. Match whole words matches only complete words, avoiding partial matches. You also have the option to replace deleted pages with stub pages. Useful for removing sensitive information. All replacements contain the same text, and the total number of pages will remain the same. It's important to note that bookmarks, links, and named destinations will continue to open these pages. Use this option to preserve the pages, but remove their content. Press OK once selections have been made. After searching, all matching pages are listed. Use the checkboxes to select the pages to be deleted. Then press Delete Pages. A report box confirms the number of deleted pages. Click OK to close it. Now let's look at how to use text patterns. Use this method to search for patterns and not specific text. For example, we'll demonstrate this by removing the third page of all invoices. Use regular expressions to search for things like social security, account, or phone numbers, as these change in each document but follow the same format, which can be recognized by the plugin. Enter search patterns into the search box, and check the Use Regular Expressions box. There's also the option to replace deleted pages with stub pages. Press OK when ready. Pages with text matching this pattern will be listed. Use the checkboxes to select pages to be deleted, and press Delete Pages. A report box confirms their removal. Click OK to close it. All third pages will have been deleted. Now let's look at how to automate this task with Action Wizard. This tool is useful for processing multiple files at once, with minimal user interaction. Once created, an action can be reused with a single click. Begin by opening the Tools panel in the upper menu. Then find and double-click on the Action Wizard icon. Now select New Action from the toolbar. By default, the action will work on the currently open file. Press the Add File and Folder icons to run it on specific files. Now expand the More Tools category. Then find and double-click on the Delete Pages by Search option, or press the plus icon after selecting it. This will add the command to the action steps on the right. Uncheck Prompt User to stop the action always displaying settings when executed. Now press Specify Settings to configure the command. Enter the text or text patterns that you want to search for, and select any necessary options before clicking OK. If using added documents and not the currently open file, also add a save command under the Save and Export section. Remember that this isn't necessary if you're only going to use the currently open file. Configure this action step with the Specify Settings button and the Save menu. Press Save when the command is configured. Use this dialog box to name this action and optionally add a description. Once done, press Save to confirm. You can execute this action at any time from the Action Wizard panel. You also have the option to add more files before pressing Start. Note that if all pages are deleted, a stub page will be inserted so that there's always one page in the PDF. Visit evermap.com for more product resources.